Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LVM volumes after snapshot rollback attempt. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have access to your terminal with root or sudo privileges. Identify the LVM volume group you wish to restore. Use the command display to view all logical volumes and their details. Locate the snapshot you attempted to roll back from this output. Record the name of the volume and the snapshot for reference. Attempt to roll back the snapshot using the command will convert merge snapshot name. If the rollback fails, first confirm the status of the volumes with display. Check for any error messages or indicators of issues. Next, use the command lvso plus devices to examine the underlying physical volumes. Look for the volume that may have gone offline or is experiencing issues. If a volume is not active, use change volume name to activate it. After ensuring that all necessary volumes are active, rerun display to confirm their status. If the volumes are active but still not accessible, consider running a file system check. This can be done by using fsck device name for the logical volume. If errors are found, allow the file system to attempt repairs. Once repairs are complete, remount the volume with mount device name mount point. If the rollback attempt still encounters problems, you may need to restore from a backup. Always ensure that important data is backed up before performing significant volume operations. Once the LVM volumes are restored and accessible, verify the integrity of your data. Review log files and system notifications to confirm that there are no issues. Finish the process by documenting any changes or actions taken for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.